Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today I'll be sharing easy Eid Mehndi design 2025 ** ideas that are simple, stylish, and perfect for Eid celebrations. Whether you are a beginner or looking for a quick yet beautiful design, these patterns are for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Simple Floral Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a beautiful yet simple floral Mehndi design. This pattern includes small flowers, fine lines, and delicate dots, making it an easy yet elegant choice for Eid. Segment 2. Arabic-style Easy Mehndi. If you love Arabic Mehndi, this easy and stylish design is perfect for you. Featuring bold strokes, curved patterns, and minimal detailing, it's an effortless yet stunning choice for Eid. Segment 3. Tikki Mehndi for Eid. Tikki Mehndi is a timeless favorite. This easy round tikki design in the center of the palm is surrounded by tiny floral patterns and dots, creating a traditional yet modern Eid look. Segment 4. Finger Mehndi Design. For those who prefer minimal Mehndi, this finger Mehndi design is ideal. It includes thin vines, small paisleys, and elegant rings, making it a trendy and quick option for Eid. Segment 5. Backhand Easy Mehndi Design. If you want a graceful backhand Mehndi design, this one is simple yet classy. It features delicate leafy trails, curved lines, and light floral accents, making it perfect for an effortless Eid look. Which easy Eid Mehndi design 2025 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.